So this is unboxing and assembling our Evolution 15 electric backpack sprayer. When you first open the box, you'll have our instruction manual naming all the parts and everything you need to know, a small measuring jug, our lance with a cone nozzle, and then a spare set of all different types of nozzle. You have your battery that comes in a nice dust bag along with its charger, then the stop valve, and finally the full tank of the sprayer. Now when you first open the box there may be a little bit of water coming out of the hose, but that is just because it is pressure tested in the factory. It is not used before and it is still brand new. As you can see, the straps come already assembled, everything is already put onto the tank of the sprayer. You've just got to attach everything to the hose. You just attach the stop valve, twist it on just until it's tight, and then connect the lance. Again, just twist it on. You can then replace the nozzle at the end with any of the spare nozzles if you like. This one comes with a cone, but there's also a flat jet and other types on there. Now with the battery, you're obviously going to want to charge it first. So just take it out of the dust sleeve, and then the charger just uses the hole at the bottom. Once your battery is charged, you just open this flap at the back and slot it down where it clicks into place. Then on the side of the sprayer is where you turn it on, either for low pressure or high pressure, and there is a light here on the side as well which will tell you how much battery you've got. Then to recharge, just open it up, push that bit forward, and it'll slot right off and tell you exactly how much charge you've got here by just pressing that button. So that is what to expect when unboxing and how to assemble our Evolution 15 electric backpack sprayer. If you have any other questions, you can contact us on our Best Sprayers website.